Nagpre-prepare ba kayo para sa inyong PTE academic test at nahihirapan kayo sa repeat sentence? Maswerte kayo dahil nakita niyo itong video ko dahil magbibigay ako ng mga sample questions na nanggaling mismo sa PTE. Try nyo guys na mag-practice gamit itong ibibigay ko sa inyo. So mag-focus kang mabuti at intindihin mo yung maririnig mong sentence. Tandaan mo, huwag mong i-memorize yung each word.
The reading list consists of both books and journal articles.
Students are not allowed to write in library books.
Please remind all visiting lecturers to sign in at reception.
A successful entrepreneur needs to have ambition, determination, and commitment.
Active learning involves taking responsibility for your own studies and analysing what you know.
Suburban sprawl is the outward expansion of an urbanized area into its agricultural surroundings.
Not getting enough sleep has been associated with numerous health risks.
Nakuha mo ba lahat ng sentence? Ilan ang sentence na nakuha mo? Kung hindi mo nakuha lahat ng questions dito sa binigay ko, okay lang yan. Kasi magbibigay pa ako ng mga sample questions na nanggaling mismo sa PTE. So mag-follow ka lang and like mo itong video ko.